Welcome to the My Sites tab overview inside the Pixel Perfect Builder. Here we have a lot of options to work with, and I'll go through each step of what you can do with this interface. So let's start by looking at the top. We have here the My Sites tab, and we can also click here if we want to create a new website. We also have a quick link to the tutorials tab regarding the Pixel Perfect Builder. Here on the top right hand side, we have a search bar, and we can use this to filter all the websites that we have and to find a specific website in a more timely manner. I can also choose to change my subdomain or filter the websites I'm seeing by category. So if I click here and I choose causes, for example, the only website I'll see is the one that is inside the category I previously chose, okay? If I want to configure this or add a new category, I can do so by clicking here as well. If I want to sort this in a different way, I can just click on list. And as you can see, the way it looks will change. Now we'll be taking a look at what we can do within the website. So I can first click here to change its title. I can click here to change its category, and I can click here to change its description. If I want to connect a domain, I can click here on these three dots, and besides connecting the domain, I can also rename this and make this a public layout. So once I have the domain connected, like this website has, I have the option of either activating or deactivating the SSL, since I already have it active, as you can see. The only option I have here is to deactivate it. So I can also disconnect the domain and change the region. Here on the bottom of the website, I can click here to duplicate this website. I can click here on emails if I have a domain connected. And by doing so, I can create new, customized, professional, and verified emails using the domain that I bought. I can also click here if I want to transfer this website to another Builderall user. If I click here on Get Link, I can share the template of my website with other people. And by clicking here on this green icon, I can either publish or unpublish a website. So if the website's published, not only will the icon be green, but I can also click on the website's name and I'll be redirected to the live version of that website, okay? I can publish my website just by clicking here and clicking on OK, and then the gray name will turn into blue. And I can also edit the contents of the website the way it looks by clicking here on this blue button. And if I do so, I'll be redirected to the HTML editor where I'll be able to do a bunch of things inside my website. So this is a general overview of how we can work with My Sites inside the Pixel Perfect Builder. I hope all of this made sense to you, and I'll be seeing you in another video.